Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Fantom is likely on its way into this resistance area already a week ago. I posted that to channel members in our Signals channel for gold members that wave A is likely moving towards 54 cents, even though that is not a very clear target. It's more just what you would generally expect from an A wave in a wave 2. Okay, so we had a possible 5-wave move to the downside here of the 2021 high into this year's low, and from here, from this important support level, a 3-wave corrective rally might now have started. So this could form eventually a head and shoulders pattern. We'll see how that plays out. Either way, current expectation would be, as long as the short-term uptrend is running, that this is an A wave. We should then at some point get a B wave pullback, not yet probably, and then a C wave rally higher. So when I made that post, it was the 4th of November. Oops. And we were somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here around 26 cents. Since then, the price has moved around about 35%, which is pretty good. I don't have a very clear subwave structure. There's just not enough structure in this for me to work with and to give you an even more detailed wave count. So there's no benefit doing it because it wouldn't be reliable. So all I can tell you is that we're likely on track to reaching that 54 cent level. At least that is a common target for an A wave in a wave 2. Above that level, we have, let me zoom out, structural resistance around 65. The A wave could, of course, go a little higher. I mean, it is generally the area around the 38.2 to the 50% retracement. I mean, it's just that the 38.2 fib level is sort of the first one that you are expecting when you're talking about an A wave within a wave 2. Ideally, it doesn't go beyond the 50% fib level, so not beyond 78 cents. It would be a little bit too large for an A wave. Then we should get a B wave pullback and the C wave to complete wave 2. It takes a break above $1.89 to suggest that we are on our pathway to all-time highs. Nothing at the moment that I primarily watch for. Can happen, of course, but nothing I'm primarily watching for. If it happens, then that's fine, but it would have to be in some kind of a... Okay, no, it doesn't need to be a diagonal. No, it doesn't need to be. We would have to assume that a larger correction finished here and that we are indeed on our way. Yeah? But it needs to break above $1.89 to suggest it. I just don't have a very clear perspective of the micro count here. I mean, there are ways how we can understand this, but it just is, it's not a very clear wave count. Yeah, there are many ways. I mean, it could even be a large A, B, C that's unfolding, but they are not like high probability patterns. And to be honest, in the short term, it doesn't make any difference because we're tracking this uptrend locally anyway. So if I call this a wave A of 2 or whatever, something more bullish, it just makes zero difference to me. At the moment, it means we have a good chance to get into this area. We'll have to be watching for the reaction and the structure of the pullback. If that pullback is corrective, it will likely set us up for a nice rally into 2024 in this C wave, or maybe then even something more bullish. But it's not going to be until we have basically done the C wave or we are close to completion that we see the subwave structure that we can say, okay, it is something really bullish, or okay, indeed, it is just an ABC structure. So this B wave pullback or the nature of the next pullback is really going to tell us quite a bit about the structure over the coming weeks and months. If the move down is impulsive, that's not good. I mean, that would indicate that new lows are coming. But as soon as we have a potential top in place there for wave A, I will let you know. I will keep you updated and add a potential support area for that B wave pullback. Okay, that's my update about Fantom. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.